Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a size guide onto Shopify. So, unfortunately, a size guide is not something that's natively pre-built into Shopify. So, the way we're going to get around this is we're going to use an app, right? So, the way you find an app is that on the middle search bar here, you want to search the things you want, which is in my case a size guide. It'll auto complete here, and you might see a recommended app right here, but it says free plan available. So what does that mean? It means that there is a free plan available, right, on name, but it's gonna have a lot of strings attached. So there's gonna be a lot of limitations, like you can only do one things per month, or you can only do it once per month. It's limited to only 1,000 viewers, things such as that. So I recommend finding another one first. But if you can't find another one, then this one should suffice. But no harm in looking first. The way you look is that you go to, for example, size guide again. You click on this size guide in Shopify App Store. It'll redirect you to the Shopify App Store, this one. Now in here, you'll see there's going to be a lot of plans and a lot of apps that we can find. And I suggest to get the one with the that's marked free like this. So it's completely free and there's no free trial, there's no plans, there's no premium things. It's just completely free. I'm going to install this one, the GA size chart and size guide, right? I'm going to click on install. Now let's wait for it to load. Give it a second. Now we just have to log in. We'll add in our stored domain here. That's kind of weird because usually when I click on install, it'll automatically install it like this. Yeah, there you go. Let's click on install. If it sometimes glitches out like that, you can just close out and try installing here again. Now there's going to be a setup guide such as this. Let's just click on next. Let's activate the app by clicking this. It'll take us to the website editor here. Give it a second. There you go. Now, once you're here, make sure this is turned on and make sure you click save here. Once you're done, go back, click on next, click on let's go. And that's the setup done. Wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, you'll see something like this, right? Now you can pick if you want to display the size chart in all of pages, only on the product pages, a collection page, your own selected page, or a blog page. I'm gonna do a product page only, and I'm gonna call this size guide. I'm gonna click on next. And there's gonna be a lot of things that there's a lot of size guide for a lot of footwears, a lot of jumpers, hoodies. For this one, I'm gonna do a jeans and trousers. Click on next. And it can be a lot. It can be like an inline link, a float button, or an inline link and also a float button. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna click on next after. Now wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, you'll see that this is the size guide you got. You can customize these if you like. You can change the values here, such as this. But I'm gonna keep it as is. Now you can also change the position settings like this. So how it'll pop up, right? I'm gonna keep it like this. I'm gonna click on next. And now we're done here, right? I'm gonna click on save. Wait for it to load. Once you click on save, it'll say something like this, right? And you can click on preview here to see it in action. Just give it a second to load. If you don't see it, you can click on this fix for me and wait for it. Fix for me, give it a second to load. Once you click on this, it'll take a bit to refresh and redo. But as you can see on the size guide here on the dashboard, it's active. And let me go do it again. Click on next again. It is available here.